These videos were made in Canva. In this video, I will teach these for viral animation using Canva. And the fun part is these are very easy to create. So let's begin with first part. If you are Canva user, then you can skip this part as I will teach you how to create new project. First we need video. I will import from Canva video library. Let's create this. Let's use this video. Our first trick is a simple hack to get text behind video. Input text box by press T on your keyboard, or simply drag your text box like this. Write your text and search for this font. Type 210. Scroll down and you will find this font. Select it. Adjust its position. I will quickly change its name as well. Now press R to get rectangle shape to cover the gaps. Change color to black. Press Alt and left click to duplicate the layer. Let's move on to our another video. This time I will show you another trick to place video inside the object. Search for letter the go to frames. Select any one type. Then go to creator page like this. There you will find all the letter that are similar. Now bring your video onto each letter and adjust it like this. Double press to edit it. This time drag video just like our main video. Repeat the process for other letters as well. Now bring one rectangle to the page. Change color to black. Then right-click, go to Layers, Show Layers and bring it back. If you want, you can change transparency of the rectangle as well. Before I teach you how to create this, let's first learn how to create this with another technique. First input rectangle and write your text. Search for Anton font. Click on Share and save as PNG. Drag back to your design. Here your text, now press Remove BG. Simply drag the element on top of the video. And insert rectangle if there are any gaps. Let's use dance video. You can use any video and adjust its position. Insert text box and write your text. After adjusting it, go to Layers, Show Layers. Duplicate it, then click on Remove BG. Do the same for text box as well. Go to Effects and select Hollow Effect. Again to Layers and make final adjustment. If you learned something new, don't forget to like the video. Share this with your friends who makes awesome videos. Here are my other Canva videos which you might be interested in.